Hey guys, so quick video for you if you want to actually acquire the Spirit E-435 by Weber. Now I want to say first that it's like a great product. It's a good company. They're making like great products. Now the pros is that you could have like even heat distribution. The sear zone is legit, sideburn included, also rock solid build quality, so that's great too. 10-year warranty, that's insane, and easy grease management and compact footprint for 4-burner. But what are the reasons why you shouldn't get it? So no propane tank gauge. Annoying oversight. You want to buy a $15 aftermarket gauge just to weigh the tank. First thing. The setting thing. The digital thermometer can sometimes be off. So this is like another thing. So get your own meat thermometer anyway. Okay. No Wi-Fi, no app connectivity. This is like maybe you don't need it, but maybe it's important to you that there is no Wi-Fi, there is no app. So another thing, also the accessories cost extra, so that's like to be aware of, that other things you have to like purchase it to it. So again, just something to be aware of, all right? And also is the price. Maybe it's expensive for you, I don't know, maybe not. And that's important thing. And I even think that I was like searching is not even made in the USA. So that's like another important thing for actually you to know. So hope this video provided a little bit of value, what you can actually like get it, and have a great day and goodbye.